You're not going to believe what Google's doing with the Pixel 10 series this year. Some parts feel next, level others. Like someone accidentally hit rewind instead of fast forward. From a recycled design to sneaky camera downgrades and one very confusing pro vs non-pro strategy, this launch is shaping up to be one of the most puzzling and polarizing Pixel rollouts ever. Hey, welcome back viewers, James here. If you love tech that keeps you guessing, like this Pixel situation, go ahead, share, and subscribe for more breakdowns just like this. All right, let's start with the standard Pixel 10 because, wow, it sounds promising at first. Bigger battery, check new telephoto lens, finally a slick on 20Hz OLED display. Yep. But then you look closer and things get weird. The screen hits a stunning 3000 nits of brightness, which is wild for outdoor use. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, which sounds tough, but here's the twist. It's the same refresh rate, same resolution, and visually almost identical to last year's model. The only thing really pushing boundaries here is the brightness. Cool, but not earth-shattering. Under the hood, we've got Google's shiny new 30M Tensor G5 chip, made by TSMC this time, not Samsung. That should bring better efficiency and cooler temps. It's paired with 12 GB of RAM, which is solid, or 256 GB of storage. Battery capacity creeps up to 4970 mAh, but charging still stuck at 29 double wired and 50 W wireless. No breakthrough there. Talk cameras, buckle up. The Pixel 10 brings a 40MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a new 10AMP telephoto with FevX optical zoom. Sounds great until you realize the main sensor is the exact one from the Pixel 9. Yes, the budget model. That's a straight-up downgrade from the 50MP sensor in last year's Pixel 9. And that ultra-wide, Google just dropped it from 48MP to 12MP. That's not a subtle tweak, it's a step down, period. So what gives? Are we paying some $799 for a flagship that borrows parts from mid-range phones? Now, credit where it's due, the new telephoto is a solid addition. That's a first for a non-pro Pixel, and it's likely the same one used in the Pixel Fold lineup, which isn't bad at all. But again, you're trading off flagship camera performance for just one new lens. And speaking of trade-offs, Google seems to be building a very clear wall between the Pixel 10 and the Pro models this year. That high refresh rate, both have it. But only the Pro gets 480 PWM dimming, which means smoother brightness transitions and far less eye strain, especially in low light. If you're sensitive to screen flicker, that difference matters. Then there's Wi-Fi 7. The Pro models have it, the base Pixel 10. Nope, strangely, the Pixel 9 had it, so why remove it now? No explanation, no logic. Just one more reason the standard Pixel 10 feels like it's caught in a weird tech limbo. And design. If you told me this was the Pixel 9 in a new case, I'd believe you. Leaks show a nearly identical body, same curved edges, same camera bar. It's clean, sure, but where's the evolution? Now let's flip the coin and look at the Pro and Pro XL. The Pro packs a 6-inch OLED with those sweet 3000 nits, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Inside, it's the same Tensor G5 chip, 16 GB of RAM, and storage up to 1 TB. That's laptop level. Folks, camera-wise, it sticks to a familiar formula, 50MP main, 48MP telephoto with 5x optical. And the front cam gets a huge bump to 42MP. Yes, 42. But unless Google drastically improves the image processing, it could just be a numbers game. Battery goes from 4700 to 480 mAh. Wired charging ticks up by a 29W now, and wireless stays at 50W. Nothing mind-blowing. It's like someone told the Pixel team to upgrade, but not too much. Now, the XL, bigger 6.88-inch screen, 5200 battery, and a nice surprise 256 GB base storage. That's a smart move. But the price, rumor says $119, up 100 from last year. Ouch. You are getting more storage, but still that's premium territory. And here's the real kicker, despite all the Pro hardware, the design still looks basically the same. The only way you'll know it's a Pixel 10 is if you squint at the serial number. So what's going on? Is Google playing it safe or playing us? The strategy seems clear. Funnel buyers toward the Pro models by making the base Pixel 10 feel like a compromise. Want the best display tech? Go Pro. Better cameras. More future-proofing, you guessed it, Pro. But not everyone needs the Pro. If you just want the clean Pixel experience, reliable software, decent battery life, and you're not obsessed with zoom shots or top-tier specs, the Pixel 10 might still be a solid pick. That said, for the first time in years, Google's upgrade path feels off. Like the base Pixel is being slowly phased into mid-range territory while the Pro line soaks up all the spotlight. And for fans who love the value, first approach of older Pixel phones, that's a tough pill to swallow. So here's my question to you. Would you buy the Pixel 10 knowing what's missing? Or are you all in on the Pro side of things this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear from you, and if you made it this far, thank you! Hit that like button if this helped, share it with your fellow Pixel fans, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Because when Google drops more surprises, you know I'll be right here to break it all down. Catch you in the next one. James out.